Good afternoon. My name is Alberto, and today I'm going to talk to you about the ecosystems and communities. My first topic, I will take the climate. I want to define what weather is and what climate is. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of Earth's atmosphere, and climate refers to average conditions over long periods. Environmental conditions can vary over small distances, creating microclimates. Another important concept is the greenhouse effect, which is the accumulation of three gases found in the atmosphere: carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, causing the global warming. Now, let's continue with niches and communities. I want to define what a habitat is, which is the general place where an organism lives. Also, define niche, which is the range of physical and biological conditions in which a species live and the way the species obtain what it needs to survive and reproduce. Another important concept is the competitive exclusion principle, which states that no two species can occupy the same niche in exactly the same habitat at exactly the same time. If two species attempt to occupy the same niche, one species will be better at competing for limited resources and will eventually exclude the other species. Other related concept is predation, which is an interaction in which one animal captures and feeds another animal. Also, there's herbivory, which is an interaction in which one animal feeds onto the producers. Now, let's talk about the symbiosis, which means literally living together, and has three types: mutualism, where both species are benefit; commensalism, where one species is benefit and the other just ignores it; and parasitism, where one species is benefit and the other is damaged. The next big topic of this lesson is the Meyer biomes. The biomes are described in terms of abiotic factors like climate and soil type, and abiotic factors like plant and animal life. Some examples are tropical rainforest, tropical dry forest, tropical grassland, tropical desert, temperate woodland, temperate forest, coniferous forest, boreal forest, and tundra. Also, there are some zones which are not classified as biome, like the mountain ranges, exist on all continents and in many biomes, and if the conditions are varied. That's the conditions because are not classified. The other is the polar ice caps, which are found in the poles, big masses of ice with some algae and a few animals as polar bears and some nixed, and penguins in the South Pole. Finally, we have the aquatic ecosystems. An important part of these ecosystems are the wetlands, where water either covers the soil or is present at near the surface for at least part of the year. And the other is the estuary, which is a kind of wetland, where river meet sea. Now, I will mention the principal zones of the ocean. We have the interdental zone, where the humans can usually walk; the coastal zone, where little boats can be; the open ocean, that covers almost all the ocean; the continental shelf; the benthic zone, which is the place of living of benthos, the creatures that live near of the rock and sediments; the photic zone, where the photosynthesis is possible; and the aphotic zone, where photosynthesis is not possible, but the life is based on chemosynthesis. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.